How to fix Hinge transaction error. Are you dealing with this problem or this one? Then keep watching this video and learn 5 solutions. 1. Contact Hinge customer service. Go at Hinge Help Center. Choose your issue. Write your email, name, and surname. Write the subject. Write the problem on description and submit the request. 2. Uninstall the Hinge app. Press Remove app. Press Delete app. Press Delete. 3. Reinstall the Hinge app. Go at App Store and write Hinge. Install the Hinge app. Four. Purchase a new number from DatingZesy. Go at DatingZestShop and purchase a new number. Press Purchase Now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press Place Order. 5. Don't forget to upload different pictures of yourself. Don't use the previous ones.